Hello and welcome to Enovin Cake and Cookies. I'm Nahida with you. Today we are making a crispy and golden suji cake or rava cake. It's simple, it's tasty, and it's perfect with a cup of tea. Let's start. In a blender, add 1/4 cup sugar, 2 to 3 cardamoms, 1 egg, and a drop of yellow food color. Blend until smooth and fluffy. Now in a mixing bowl, take 1 cup flour, 3 tablespoons of suji or semolina, and 1/8 teaspoon baking soda. Mix well. Suji gives the cake a slightly grainy texture and a delicious crunch. Pour in the blended egg mixture. Add 1 tablespoon ghee and mix everything to form a soft dough. Adding egg make this cake extra soft inside while staying crispy outside. Let it rest for 10 minutes. Grease a plate with a little oil. If your dough feels sticky, lightly oil your hands before shaping and spread the dough evenly. Use fresh eggs for better blending and fluffier dough. Cut into classic diamond shape. The diamond shape is classic, but you can get creative with hearts or rounds. Homemade snacks like this are always healthier than packaged alternatives. And make a little slit in the center of each. Heat oil in a pan on medium heat and gently fry the pithas until they are beautifully golden brown. Always fry on medium heat to get even color without burning. Suji is a good source of protein and energy. Eggs add high quality protein and vitamins like B12. No artificial sweeteners here, just a little sugar and natural cardamom for flavor. If you grew up with this cake, this will bring back sweet memories. And if you are new to it, you are in for a delicious surprise. And that's it. Egg suji cake is ready to serve. Crisp on the outside, soft inside and full of flavor. So try this recipe and let us know in the comments how it turned out. Don't forget to like, share and follow Enovin Cake and Cookies for more traditional treats made easy. See you in the next recipe video. Until then, take care and happy cooking.